This video is presented by custommotorcyclehelmets.org. Vega V-Tune Bluetooth Helmet. Color: gloss black, flat black, pearl white, candy red, titanium. V-Tune certifications. FMVSS 218 shell. To Speciality advanced thermoplastic shells for superior fit. Vega Helmet. Features: VCOM Bluetooth system, wireless sync to Bluetooth enabled cell phone, MP3, GPS, or other devices. Compatible Bluetooth profiles, A to DP and AVRCP. Confirm compatibility with phone manufacturer prior to purchase. Pair with second V-Tune helmet for driver, passenger or bike-to-bike communications. Bluetooth system integrated inside shell. Exterior jelly button controls are easy to operate wearing gloves. Long-lasting lithium-ion battery, 6 to 8 hours talk time. 48 hours standby, AC and USB charging adapter included. Smoke-tinted interior drop-down sunshield included. 6-position, optically correct, scratch-resistant clear outer shield included. Chin, forehead, cheek vents and rear airflow outlets maximize comfort. Liners are interchangeable for custom fit within shell size. Vega logo protective fleece helmet bag included. Vega helmet size chart, helmet sizing information. To achieve proper helmet fitment, begin by finding your head circumference size using the method described below. Remember that the helmet sizing you choose should fit around the crown of your head comfortably with no pressure points. The cheek pads should fit firmly around your face. Once your chin strap is fastened, grab the chin bar of the helmet and move it side to side. Your cheeks should move with the helmet, which should not slide across your face. Different thickness cheek pads can be purchased to obtain the perfect fit. Head measurement instructions. Wrap flexible tape measure around your head approximately an inch above eyebrows and ears. Use this measurement in either inches or centimeters to find your helmet size in the chart below. Please click the link at the description for more info. This video is presented by custommotorcyclehelmets.org.